Hello, YouTubers. Hope everything is going well for all my subscribers out there and all the people that watches my channel. I haven't had a walking stick video up in just about exactly a month now. I thought I better get on here and just say hello. I'll be back one of these days with a weekly walking stick, just like usual. And just want to let you know that I've been busy with my wife, Susan. She has started a new treatment about 2 months ago, and I can just barely keep up with the daily activities around here. Just haven't had time to open up my shed. Haven't had time to get down there and do anything at all. So keep the prayers coming. I'll pray for everyone, especially this weekend with all the rioting and all the hate going on. Ask for God's help with that. Our nation is in trouble. There's too many corrupt, evil people out there to let anyone rest. And it's dangerous. It's becoming more dangerous every day across this country. And we need to ask God's help for that and pray for my wife, Susan, and keep that good thing going. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye for now. Keep clicking that subscribe button if you just dropped in, because I need your help, and I need this channel to stay afloat and growing as much as I can to get me through this. So if you can click subscribe, make a comment. I'd try to comment. I will answer all the comments, and thank God every day for your health, because without your health, you don't have anything. Nothing else matters. God bless, and you have a wonderful day.